Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the Lightning Round. And then the Lightning Round is over. Are you ready? The Lightning Round is over. Bobby in Georgia. Bobby!
Hey, what's your opinion on BTI?
British American Tobacco. I don't recommend tobacco stocks. I'm sorry. You got to find another guy to do that. Let's go to Matt in California, please. Matt.
Booyah, Jimbo.
Booyah.
Nano Dimensions. It's an interesting play.
But everyone loves 3D because Kathy Wood loves 3D. If Kathy Wood loves 3D, then I love 3D. 3D's the greatest. I love 3D. 3D's the greatest. There, I did it. Let's go to Joe in Virginia. Joe.
Cramer, how are you, my friend?
Joe, I'm doing well. How about you?
Doing great. Hey, shed some wisdom on SCI.
Well, you know, that's death and taxes, right? You can't invest in taxes. You can't invest in death. It's SCI. I think it's a good stock. Always have. Steve in New Jersey. Steve Areno.
Hi, Jim. How you doing?
I am doing well. How about you?
Doing okay. My stock reported great earnings last week and updated 2021 guidance. What's your opinion of Generac Holding?
Man, that was an unbelievable quarter. They shot the lights out. And I am a big believer in Generac and have been for ages. And I've got to get one, but I'm afraid it might be too noisy. My neighbors will not like me. And I regard myself as being a, peaceful neighbor. Let's go to Holly in Florida. Holly.
Yes, Jim Cramer, I love you, and so do my grandchildren. I thank you for helping me encourage the grandchildren to save their money and to start investing it at a young age.
That's what it's about. That's what the show's about. I'm not trying to help those Wall Street, whatever they are, conquer Wall Street. I'm trying to help you. What's up?
All right, my stock tonight is UFP Industries, which is riding the lumber boom.
Oh, my God, this company, it's good. It's right up there with the Home Depot. It's right up there with Lowe's. I'm putting it up there with Trek and with ASIC. I mean, it's just a good company, and you got horse sense, and so do your kids. And I congratulate you for doing the right thing with stocks. And I'm going to Brandon in my home state, New Jersey. Brandon!
Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Yo, chill man in the house. What's going on?
Hey, Jim, so with the recent chip shortage, what do you think of a growth play in IIVI?
It's not a bad idea. That's a good idea. Yeah, you're right. And it's got all life sciences, too. And I like life sciences. I'm just doing a piece about life sciences, by the way. I think you got a good idea. Man, our viewers are so smart. How come they don't just call about GameStop and AMC? Why are they insisting on trying to make money for people? Let's go to Mark in Florida. Mark.
Hi, Jim. I'm looking for some of that great Cramer insight on applied materials.
All right, this is the one I'm keyed on. Mark, this is the one I've keyed on. This is the stock to watch because they reported an unbelievable quarter, one of the best quarters in the world. We had them on the show. Dickerson's a genius. The stuff is great, and yet the stock has done nothing but go down. And that's because people feel that they're making so many devices that they are going to flood the world with chips. I don't think so. I think this stock is going to make a stand at about $118. And at that price, buy. There. I stuck my neck out. Rick in New Jersey. Rick.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Booyah.
Big fan. Booyah, as a big fan.
Thank you.
And as a fellow restaurant owner from Harrington Park, New Jersey, I've got a Spagalicious restaurant, the opening play for you, that's been flying under the radar. 500 restaurants. Tillman Fajita, Golden Nugget. What do you think about fast acquisition, FST?
I have to do more work. I also have to go to by the inauguration of Longshoreman tonight, and then Bar San Miguel reopens tomorrow. Let me do some more work. This is going to be right up my alley because I certainly do know restaurants. My wife was cleaning the floors today. I bothered her. I said, hey, what's going on? She goes, don't even ask. But she was cleaning the floors. Good. Look, the floors look really good. You can eat off the floors, but I would not recommend that. Let's go to Philip in North Carolina. Philip.
Hey, Jim, thanks for taking my call.
My pleasure.
And thanks for all the help that you give us retail investors, too.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
So what's your take on S&P Standard & Poor's products?
I've always liked them. I like automotive. I don't understand why the stock has been stalled because automotive is so strong. Maybe people are worried that they, too, are going to be hurt by the semi shortage. Everyone's gotten way too negative about this darn stinking semi shortage. They get that Japanese plant up and running, believe me, and they are. That thing is going to hum. I need to go to Persod in Michigan. Persod.
Hey, Jim, it's such a pleasure to chat with you.
Pleasure's mine. What's going on?
Thank you for all you do
for
us. And Jim, your ability to sense changing market trends and provide us with early insights about those is just plain uncanny and awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so my question is, Jim, with blowout Q1 results from Google and Facebook based on strong advertising revenues, with China's fast recovery from the pandemic, and recently announced JV with Geely Motors, and the earnings coming up in 2 weeks, what are your thoughts on starting a position in Baidu?
Now, I like Alibaba. I can endorse going to Baidu because the stock is down so much. I don't know how much more they can throw at the darn thing. I like your call, and I thank you for your kind words. Everybody's kind words in this lightning round. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the lightning round.
The lightning round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.